Then in this question, PQ is a chord of circle with center O, and PT is a tangent. And if angle QPT, we have given QPT is equals to 60 degree, find angle PRQ. So making this circle like this, we have the center O here, and this there are two, there is a chord like this and tangent like this, two are like this, and this one is the tangent. This is P and T, and this goes like this. Okay, so we have given QPT is equals to 60 degree. QPT, here we have QPT, this is our 60 degree. So first of all, this is 60 degree, and this is what angle between radius, and this is angle between radius and tangent, so this angle will be 30 degree. So here OP is equals to OQ. OP is equals to OQ. So it is a isosceles triangle. So this is what? 30 degree. This is what? 30 degree. So from in triangle OPQ, in triangle POQ, if we apply the angle sum property, so angle O plus 30 plus 30 will be what? 180 degree. So this gives angle O is equals to 120 degree. This comes out to be 120 degree. Now we have to find this angle. For that we will have to make a construction from here and here. Here this is 120, so this will be 60 degree. Here this is 120, so this will be what? 60 degree, as angle on the same segment is half. So this is 60 degree. Now suppose this is what? Our F, and this is a quadrilateral on a circle. So angle F plus angle R is equals to 180 degree. So angle F is 60 plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. So angle R will be what? 120 degree. This is our required angle. PRQ is equals to what? 60 is equals to 120 degrees. This is our required answer.